In the 2009 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear stabilizer bar, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.